to another DIY video. This time it is inspired by the Boho theme. I have used most of the items that were available at home to recreate it. Hope you enjoy it, so keep watching. This is the corner that I wanted to give a change. I will keep the frames as it is and also use the same chair that I had. So let's get started. For the rug, I will be using some old bed sheets and jute fabric, and after cutting the strips, I have braided them all. Now sticking them into a circle. You can expand more. I was done here, and to secure them I have stitched some knots all over, and that's all. I'm using the mango crates that we got in the summertime. I kept it for a DIY and now is the right time to use it. And there is not much that I will be doing, just smoothing and polishing the crate. Brushing out the dust so that I can apply the polish. It has already started getting dark and finally I had to get inside to continue with my work. It was the most beautiful DIY and I enjoyed it. I'm cutting the jute strings of the same size here, tying them over a stick. Now unwinding the strings and brushing them straight. Giving it a proper shape. To tie them, I have taken a small branch stick here. Moving on to the next DIY, I am making a botanical paintings. I really love the warm and soothing colors here with the highlight of green. I am sure you will like it too, so keep watching as the painting is done. In Boho, there are specific cushion covers making use of threads. So I'm trying to make it here on these plain covers. Trying to be close to the Boho art. I will be using hot glue gun to stick them. If you wish, you can stitch them as well. the basket, I'm using a thick plastic to give a support. A steel box will help me to give the right size of the basket. These baskets are so much in trend and I really love them, the way it looks when you add the planter on it. Sticking the basket here. Cutting the edges of the base so that it is easy to stick. I'm using a jute strip to cover the uneven part. Now sticking the handles and it is done. Since I already had the branch sticks, I decided to go ahead with the candle holder. Very easy to make. So finally it is time for arranging all the DIYs. I'm sure there are better ways to do it. I'm showing how I tried to create this corner. I detached this tool to get the height for the planters. As you can see, I always have a helping hand. Adding a planter on another side. This stand was made by my dad for his paintings, so I'm using it here as well. That's how it looks. Already have a video on this DIY Buddha and the planters that I'm using here. Placing this crate as a side table. Placing the rug. This is how it looks. If you have reached till here, I'm sure you are enjoying this video, and if so, do not leave this video without smashing that like button. This channel is new and I'm sure you are new here as well. Please encourage me by liking, sharing, and most important by subscribing. Your subscription supports me in a big way. I'm trying my best to grow this channel by adding all my lovely colorful DIY decors, so stay tuned and do subscribe. You can always feel refreshed spending some relaxing time in between your day. And having a beautiful corner in the house reflects happiness in the entire house. So this was all. I hope you liked it. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe my channel.